ko kinabuhi, oy. Ni-graduate na lang gani ko, busy gyapon. Ha. Scam. Mga amigo na ako, nagsamal-samal, mga sweeto. Tapos, ang bakong friends kay Manila, nag-alis sa Davao. Tapos, wala pa talaga despedida. Oh, shout out to Jow Silito. Grabe, tagal mo siya nilaag ba. Miss ko pa talaga si ano. Ang buong Dibrito ba? Grabe. Imagine, sobra ko ka-busy, hindi ko sila kasama in like my last 3 weeks in high school. BK mo good ba? Lol. Why am I even walking to school from Ecoran when everyone knows I'm from Sasa? Nice. I miss them. Kami mo gudang ano ba? Kami ang klase na maingay, pero hindi maingay. Tapos, klase na swerte masyado kasi si Sir Simpa ang moderator. Ang klase na medyo maminaw kaya inig ako muhan din sa klase. Kasi may mat sa likod. Ang klase na casino. Kay lockdown eh. Tapos, nag-asa ka mulingi na lovebirds. Pero, pinakahigit sa lahat, ang klase na pogi, class president. Makabugtog pante. Magbago ka ng Dibrito after college. Sila yung dato gyapon. Nash, ilong gyapon. Si Bibang, barako gyapon. Ako, pogi gyapon. Hala, libuntag lagi kalit. Scam weather. What happened? How did that happen? Magic Ay, wait. BK muna ako. Wait lang. Kapoy BK, oy. Sorry, sir. I love you. Okay, spin around. Jump shot. Okay, Kobe Bryant for today. Spin around. Sus, kung na-reserve no, isabihan nyo na, Carlos Pagpuyo. Shikok. Punta mo ako classroom kay miss ka ang classroom. Mga memories ko dun. Lalo na yung mga class lunch. Sus, kami mo na yung pinaka-bibo class lunch. Yan si Nash, pinaka-hard mo timplag iced tea. Tama. Kanya, ako pinaka-hard mo extra yung tablo. Nauga to man. Miss ko lang classroom rin mo. Pinaka-malayan na classroom sa buong high school. Room 509, bisa-gasa ka na stairs mo agi kay... Make a texted. Luck is on my side today. Yes! Walay BK! Woo! Pero ako. Kaya iinom mo ng tubig. Okay, walang tubig. Buti pa yung water fight namin. Slash failed photo shoot na wild lagi daw. Man, ba't kalit-kalit memories ko? Pero lingawan nun Tara gawin nyo ulit ng Dibrito. Basa-basa, mag-wrestling si Nash, Carl, Javin. Tapos yun ang times na solid mo siya ang for Dibrito ba. Tapos yung time na nag-clash shot pa kami sa bahay ni Joanna. Na nahubog si Jao. Na nangigat siya kay Gonzales ba yun? Aligawan nun nasa third floor na pala ako. Ba't parang may nostalgia factor ang number 3? Ay tama. 1, 2, 3 Dibrito, do not break. Lalo ko yung na quarter ba? Karaming inspirational stuff na dinasabi ni Sir Simpao. Grabe tayo ka-motivated. Nag-hold pa tayo ng class meetings and all that jazz. Tapos, yun yung quarter na technically nag-break tayo. Nag-iyakan pa tayo ng Teacher's Day. Nag-pull pa tayo ng cards. Sabi natin nun. Tapos, parang gi-break na natin ng promise. Tapos, pagka-card day, kaya natakot tayo kay Sir Simpao. Kaya baka may disown siya sa atin. Pero, love pa rin tayo ni Sir. Even though he was always never there, he would always be there for us. Bilang teacher, bilang papa. It was like, wala siya lagi because of his family. But when he was there, we were his family. Dibrito was family. Namiss ko Sir Simpaw. Ba't, hindi ko lagi matanggap na i-let go niya tayo. Gladbash, kasi lingaw yun ang night. Bradley, kasi love ka ng Debrito, solid 40 tayo, huwag mo kami kalimutan kahit saan, nasa Jensen ka na, kahit natalo mo pa ni Pacquiao, joke lang, I love you. Class dance, kasi parati kami kasama ni Ses, tapos nag-dance kami Debrito under the rain practice, birthday ko, sinigawan no ni Ayla. Gladbash ulit kasi maganda si Gonzales nun, ba't di siya nanalo, ba't si Bella, joke lang, di ako bitter. Char, what's this I'm looking at? The Ateneo de Davao University. This is such a surreal scene. I'll miss Ateneo. You've given me a lot of memories. Wait lang. CR muna ako. May tubig. Himala. Haba na ng hair ko. Pogi pa rin. Dati wala akong buhok ba. Tapos kami mga upaw kami lahat dati. Mag-walk kami sa kantin. Lahat ng tao nakatingin sa amin. Nagpalit kami English. Nag-good morning Sir Simpaw. Upaw. Tapos Christmas party. Upaw kami. Mga pogi pa rin kami lahat. Pinakalingaw na Christmas party amin. Yang iba section Masuya. Tapos kami lang nag-party. Bahay ni Lem. Oh, you know. Bahay ni Lem is the Brito house. Am I right? What's up my niggas? Then yung game nila Bibang. Alingawan nun eh. Third quarter. What a fun quarter. Akala ni Sir Simpo, nagpa-upo kami for a reason. You're wrong, man. Wala naman kami trip nun, pero, you know. Uy, retreat box. Kailangan ko pa ng isang video para ma-reminisce ang retreat. Uy, I miss this room. Teleport na retreat box. Scam. Bakit lock? Diya eh. Ayaw ko maging lock. Open ka please. Please. Wait, hanap ako ID. Okay. Let's go open ang room. Nice. Wala? Ano to? Speech ko for friends. I am not a politician, and neither do I want to be. In fact, I despise politics. But I tell you, let us win, and I will be your leader. Open ka please. Please. Wala? Ano to?
Well, it was just a dream, just a moment ago. I was up so high, looking down at the sky, don't let me fall. I was shooting for stars on a Saturday night. They say what goes up must come down, but don't let me fall. Don't let me really know why I'm here. I guess I'm just here for the ride. I swear it feels like I'm dreaming. It's vividly defined. Yeah, so call me whatever you want. Title me whatever you like. But let's get one thing straight. You know my name, so I run this town when I'm on this mic. Yeah, so here I